Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Shopify tax settings for US sales tax reporting step by step clearly. Open your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings option located at the bottom left corner. Click on taxes within the settings menu. In the taxes section, select United States. You will see the option for manage next to each state. Click on manage for the state where you wish to set tax rates. Review the tax rates for the selected state. To add a tax rate, click on the Add a Tax Rate button. Enter the appropriate tax rate for the state. Optionally, you may enable or disable the charge tax on shipping setting. If needed, repeat the process for additional states. If your product requires specific tax settings, navigate to the Products tab. Select the product you want to modify. Scroll down to the pricing section of the product page. Ensure the charge tax on this product checkbox is selected. Save your changes by clicking Save in the upper right corner. To confirm your configurations, go back to the Taxes section. Review the tax reports to ensure everything is correctly set up. You are now ready to generate US sales tax reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.